Ally is the #1 doctor-recommended OTC weight loss aid because it effectively works with your body to help you lose more. And with Ally, it's easier than you think, especially when you know how it works. Although fat is part of a healthy diet, eating too much can cause you to gain weight. While reducing fat intake is a really important part of your weight loss journey, using Ally with a reduced calorie, low-fat diet can help you lose that much more. In fact, for every 5 pounds you lose with diet alone, Ally will help you lose 2 to 3 pounds more. When you eat a meal that contains fat, enzymes in your digestive system break down the fat into smaller particles that your body absorbs, resulting in weight gain. But when you take Ally before the meal, it attaches to some of those enzymes and stops about 25% of the fat from being digested. This undigested fat passes out of your body naturally, so you absorb fewer calories from what you eat. Ally works only in your digestive system, but to get the best possible results, you have to do your part. That means Ally, exercise, and maintaining a reduced calorie, low-fat diet. That's how Ally works, with your body, to help you get to your weight loss goal. It's also why it's the only FDA-approved OTC weight loss aid. Diet, exercise, and Ally. Stick with them, and steady, gradual weight loss will be yours.